Welcome back, guys, and let's talk about that sales processor position. What is a sales processor? Look, I was in this industry. I started this industry in 1999. I learned how to sell and estimate my own jobs. In fact, we had to estimate and supplement our own jobs. There wasn't third-party supplementing and estimating companies like there is today. The owners of the company I worked for as a sales associate were going to sit and rewrite my estimates and supplements for me, like a lot of owners are doing there today. So, over the years, eventually, and as a bit later on as a business owner, I used to train guys to do their own estimates. And then I realized that some sales associates are really good at knocking doors and signing deals, and they're not really that good at estimating and supplementing because it's oftentimes a left brain activity where sales is a right brain activity. We made a decision about 5 years in to hire one person that's dedicated at our company to do nothing but analyze the job files that the sales associate turned in before they hit production, to take a look at the estimates, to make sure that the job files were written correctly so the production manager could understand them, and then really how did that estimate look from the insurance company, how did the estimate look from the sales associate, did the sales associate miss things, code items, safety issues, exactimate line items that were missed, and what we found out is having one person dedicated, which is the position you're interviewing for, was really helpful to the company in adding some serious profit to the bottom line. For example, in 2010 at our Arizona storm, Phoenix, Arizona got hit with $1 billion storm. We had 2 full-time sales processors, which allowed us to field a whole lot of green sales guys out knocking doors and signing deals. And all they focused on was knocking doors and signing deals and then turning in their paperwork and deposit checks into the sales processors at the office who retabulated the estimates, did the supplements. Look, we did 12 million sales on our first year out of that on that storm office, and we did an additional, I think, 1.8 million in approved supplements by 2 full-time sales processors. So I was a big believer that a sales processor as a central function to a roofing and restoration company is important. I think because you then have a consistent message from one person coming out of your office about what your policies are for estimating. Our sales associates actually were able to sell more because they weren't bogged down in paperwork, entering data into CRMs, rewriting estimates, sending stuff out to carriers. All that stuff takes away from. So look, I'm a big believer in a sales processor. It's a unique position in a company. Estimating and supplementing is a huge part of the job, but it's also looking at collecting job files, from those new sales associates, possibly counseling them when they're missing something. You can hardly write an estimate or supplement properly if the sales associate didn't get the right photos in the field, didn't get the right takeoff information about miscellaneous trades. Part of the sales processor function is not only to write estimate supplements, talk to insurance carriers, help get money released, help get supplements approved, but also help counsel those newer sales associates and the older ones on bringing and turning in proper job files per company protocol so that you can actually do your job as a sales processor and those jobs can get funneled into production faster, build quickly, and hopefully increase profit margins for the company. In the next chapter, I'm going to go over a detailed job description and proposal about what a sales processor does on a day-in and day-to-day basis. Feel free to press pause before moving on to the next chapter, and you can actually download the sales processor job description, duties, and responsibilities from your SVG U file vault. See you soon.